Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Glad you're here again. And if you're new here, I'm glad you found my channel. So today I thought I'm gonna do a slightly different video. Now in these days we all have a little bit of a difficulty to find artistic inspiration, and I just wanted to share my way how I deal with that. I'm not somebody who is very pessimistic. Usually my glass is 3/4 full, but even for me this is sometimes it is a really special time, let's put it that way. Anyway, so what I do when I'm stuck and don't feel like I want to work, but I don't want to watch TV, which I rarely do anyway, or YouTube videos or whatever, I go down to my studio, and first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start to look through my magazines and find nice images, interesting images with no specific idea in mind. I have old magazines, I have new magazines, I have fashion magazines, I have garden magazines, I even have sometimes the catalogs from like the grocery stores, or anything can have images that are inspirational. It actually belongs here. So I grab just a bunch. I mean, I literally go through the magazines and tear out whatever appeals to me at the moment. Nothing specific in mind, as I said. And then I have my bunch of magazine pages. Next I go to my jelly prints, for example, or I go to my painted papers. I do have like tissue papers or those mop-up papers from the napkins, which when they are really nice, I keep them. Something more to add to the stash, no? Don't you think? So that's my next step. And then I also grab a bunch of art journals. I do have art journals which I just recently have started. I have art journals which are still empty. That's also recently started. And I have art journals which barely have any spot left. Like this is like all I have left here, which I want really something to do. So, and then I have my dilution. We all know that. I want to fill that up, and there are still a lot of pages in here. Anyway, so I know I have stuff ready. Next, I go again through the focal images. That's what I use the magazine pages for. They are my focal images, and think about what is the best right now for me. And I actually gonna pick now one, and then you can watch me what I do with this. I'm not gonna talk a lot, but maybe this process helps you too to get your mojo working again. It's just a way how I do it. So let's see. Count? Yeah, maybe. That's nice too. That's really a big one. I need a larger. That would be nice too. I think I go for her. Now that I know what I want to use for this project, I know which art journals I can use. And I feel like it's a little bit vintagey. So I was thinking maybe I'm gonna use this page. I think that's a good idea. Okay, so I know what I'm gonna use for art journal and as a focal point. Put that over there. Now it's time to look what else I wanna use. I definitely want to use that. Maybe that. And I think those are a little bit colorful also. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna use a little bit of that just to add in some color. So that goes away, that's too colorful for that. And do I need something of this? Maybe a little bit. That's too blue. No. So then I'm gonna choose my medium. I could go for acrylic paint, but I think today I'm gonna go for some wax crayons, water-soluble wax crayons, and I think this page needs a little bit of gesso before I can water down my wax crayons. And I'm actually gonna go for my clear gesso. I will be back. So I have the Liquitex clear gesso, but I think any brand would work, it doesn't really matter. I just want to give a little bit of, that's actually from a bag, this paper, so it doesn't certainly, isn't made actually for art, but hey, why not? I do fight the vellum a bit, so I'm gonna add some tacky glue, maybe that helps. Now, that's gonna be my focal point. First of all, it is on heavy cardboard, it was sort of a postcard. And second, there is stuff on here which I don't want, and I'm still not sure, do I want teared edges? No, I don't think I want teared edges. I want to make it look like a old photo from other times. And I think I'm gonna use a corner rounder. Now it is a rather heavy piece, and I'm gonna try to split it so that it is a little bit easier to glue in. We'll see how it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes not so much. So I just try with my nail to get in between the layers, and because I don't have really nails, I sometimes grab a pokey tool, which is much easier. Okay. That's going to be much easier to glue down. And for this I'm going to use the tacky glue again. Now I'm gonna go over with the matte medium. I want to break down that shine that this paper has. So, and today is finger day. Okay, it is all dry again. In the meantime, I also did grab some stamps and StazOn Royal Purple. But first I'm gonna play a little bit with the wax crayons. Just want to add some color splotches. And then I have a water tank brush. And my last step gonna be, I'm gonna add some numbers. I do have numbers here. And frankly, I don't know what kind of brand it is. I'm sorry about that. And it's not about perfection, I just want something going on. So I just, sorry, you can see it. I just have it on my finger. That's, I don't need a special block. Any particular reason why I choose a number? No, not at all. I'm just playing here. And I'm tempted to look through my stamps also. Hold on a second. Okay, let's see if I can just find the stamp I think I would like there. Okay, that's it, what I did with this page. I hope it was a little bit helpful to start some art journals. Don't do the masterpieces, it's not gonna work probably, so just play a little bit and try to forget for a while the news. We do have to watch them, but we have to have a break too. So stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye.